Hello and welcome to Learn It All. Today we'll be talking about one of the most hyped stock, Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. Now a lot of YouTubers have been talking about the long-term trend being broken, which is this thick red line. But the way I look at it, I consider the long-term trend to be this purple 20 moving average. And this goes back to September as well as October. You can see even October 30th. Every time it comes down to the 20 moving average, it bounces off it. And I'm hoping to see a similar behavior because it is almost touching the 20 moving average at this stage. And there is a high chance that the stock is going to move up going forward in the next few weeks. That's not the only reason why I say Palantir is going to move up. The other reason you can see here is that the volume traded on 18th of December is higher than the past few days, which means that people are coming in. And I always like spike in volume. When this volume goes up, it tells you something. And I'm going to show you something which is very interesting. Let's go to the 30 minutes chart, or actually let's go to the 5 minutes. And you will see that on Friday something happened. So we're looking at the 5 minutes chart, and you can see when the market was about to close, somebody bought 17 million shares. You can see that high rise on the volume bar. And this hasn't happened in the past, several days. Let's go back to 30 minutes time frame, and you will see that this is a very high volume, and which is very similar to what happened when we saw the spike from 23 to 31 on 7th December. And I can see a similar volume spike that happened on Friday. So I think this could be an institutional buyer or insider, because when you buy 17 million shares, the price is supposed to go up, but the price really hardly moved. So I'm thinking this is probably one of the institutional buyers or insider trading who bought 17 million shares. So that is very, very interesting. And I will not be surprised to see next week if the price moves up. So let's go back to the one-day chart, and I'm going to show you how the RSI is behaving right now. The RSI is at 58, which is very similar to what it was before the actual momentum happened, which was October 30th. So I see that the RSI for Palantir is kind of bottoming out here. And it hasn't been able to go down below this level for the past few days, and that's why I can see there's a high chance for the RSI to go up. What it means is that when the RSI goes up, which means that the stock price is going to move up. Even when we look at the MACD is kind of as a red, and I can see a nice curve upwards, and we will kind of see it would max out in the next few days. So I'm hoping that Palantir will be moving up in the next couple of weeks. So what is going to be the price target for Palantir? So I did draw this green channel, which is based on the 20 moving average, and based on the RSI and MACD, if I have to speculate, it would be somewhere around this. Around December 30th, Palantir will reach its highs, which is around $42. So there's a high chance that Palantir would move up to $40 by end of December. So let me know your thoughts in the comments and what you think. Is Palantir going to break out, or is it going to crash? Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in my next video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for instant notification on new videos.